Okay, so it's another day and another Christmas video, and let's see if I could guess which one's which. Dr. Pepper versus Dr. Thunder. You know, I used to like Dr. Thunder. Let's just make this a short video. I'm Blue Santa. Let's just do this. I'm gonna put him on here. I'm gonna spin it around, and then that's it. Dr. Thunder. Here. Grab the other glass. Yeah, I don't want to spill it. I haven't had either of these beverages in a long time, but I have not had either of these like straight normal. So now I don't know which one's which. That's a good question. I'm gonna get. I'll just let, like, I'm gonna shoot the video. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna spin this, and I'll look at the video afterwards. Look, my eyes are closed. We'll look at the video afterwards, and I'll guess, and I'll see if I'm right. I have no idea which one's which. Okay, here we go. This one. I hope you're having an awfully blue Christmas. Is that a song? Is that an Elvis song? It should be. Wow. Will I be able to tell the difference? That's a tough one, man. Can you do this? Can anyone do this? After not having these sodas in a long time. Like, it's in like 20 years. Okay. I'm gonna say this is Dr. Thunder and this is Dr. Pepper. See, this one has a weird smell to it. Like Band-Aids. That's probably why they called it Dr. Thunder. It's still good. I just think that it's Dr. Thunder. This one tastes sweet, a little bit sweeter. I can read the sugar, 41 grams, sugar. Oh wow, this has less sugar than Dr. Thunder. I could be wrong. This one tastes sweeter than that one. This one tastes less sweet. This one's a little bit more. Yeah, last time I had Dr. Pepper, it must have been like 10 years ago. And then Dr. Thunder, that had to be like 25 years ago. Just basing it off smell alone, this one smells weird. It just smells like, doesn't smell like, yeah, it has like a slight like cola flavor. Excuse me. Blue Santa. It like smells floral. Well, this one just tastes like sugary stuff. Oh, that's a tough one, man. It could be this one, because if I overthink it too much, like the weird... Isn't Dr. Pepper supposed to be like made with like herbs and spices and stuff? What is Dr. Pepper? What makes it different than... What is that? Whatever. Final answer. I'll say this is Dr. Pepper, this is Dr. Thunder. Final answer. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I'll pay attention when I edit this. Okay, bye. Blue Santa out. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.